We've been to Japan last December lang. Talagang nagandahan kami sa bansa. Sa itsura, sa ambience, everything, the culture. We decided to go back. In my last video, I said, ang ganda mo, Japan. Babalik talaga kami. So, awa ng Diyos. Ayun, we're creating memory. Kino-cover kita. Sabi ko, we're creating memories. Bigla kang nawala. Saan tayo punta, Bel?
Sa Fukfuk. Fukfuk. Fukfuk.
Fuk-fuk. Good morning! First day. Woke up at 7:20. Hello, Bel.
Hello.
So, tingnan natin yung view. So, sana ganyan lang ang weather. Huwag ka muna magpakita araw, please. So, bababa kami to have breakfast. Dito ka pala kami sa Toyo Hotel. Toyo. So, meron siyang breakfast included for 5 days. Bibili niya kami ng 10 stub. So, bababa na kami to have breakfast. And then, we'll be doing shopping! Breakfast. Morning. Let's go. Here is our breakfast. Sausage, tapos pa cabbage air. Squid, parang mackerel, meatballs, salad, miso soup, rice, bread si Bel. Ayun. It's a rainy morning here in Fukuoka. Good morning to you. Outfit trip. Jogger pants. Kaya naman naka-loose knit pants. IDOG shoes. So, punta kami ngayon ng Tosu Premium Outlet. Kasi, wala lang. Titingin ng mga poodle finds. And then, after that, since mas malayo yan yung unahin namin. Pagbalik, punta kami doon sa mga cute-cute na mga bilihan. So, ayun. Pag-uwi, dadaan din kami ng Don Quixote sa Canal City. Dahil nandun yung GU, yung pang Uniqlo. Ate Det.
At kalalihin.
Balik kami ng Hakata Station. Pwede doon, pwede din doon. I'll just get a shot of the Hakata Station. There it is. Hakata Station. Main station. Ganda naman ng girl na to. Uy! Yan, para makita yung outfit mo. So, ayun ang going to the bus station. Bus terminal kanan. Ito yung isang side ng Hakata building mo. Ayan, yung may frontage na, ayan Hakata bus terminal. So, dahil nakulaan, dito tayo sa medyo may silong at may pedestrian. Nga pala sa Japan, guys, they employ a lot of senior citizens. Let's see. Good morning. Tosu Premium Outlet. Bus.
3.
Bus number 3.
3 floor.
Third floor. Okay, where do we pay there?
I pay.
Thank you, arigato. First way bus. La 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 la. Ayan guys, so we went back to JR Line dahil walang available na bus going to Tosu. So, first time namin nagamit ang aming Suica card and track 6, Kagoshima Line. 5-6, so this is 5-6. Ayan, Tosu nakita ko. Dito yung 6. So, track 6, 11:26. Cold weather. Stops, 15th Street Station, Tosu. Ganda dito. Hindi ko maliligaw. You just have to read the sign. Arrived at Tosu. Wow, ang lamig. Kyushu Railway Company. Hindi ako nakatulog sa train. Kasi baka lumagpas kami. So, mag-google na lang ulit paano pumunta sa Tosu Premium Outlet. Tosu. Hello guys. So, we decided to take a sub na dahil umuulan. So, it's a rainy Monday. We'll get back to you when we get there. Bye. We made it, guys, here in Tosu. Ulan. Hi, Bel. So, later dito, meron tayo pwedeng sakyan na bus going to Tenjin. So, yun yung kabilang side ng Hakata. So, pwede tayo mamaya dyan. 4:30 p.m. ang next. So, ayun na siya. Furla, Coach, Adidas, TaylorMade, Tosu Premium Outlet. So, may mga food courts. Parang Alabang Town Center feels. So, it's a Monday, kaya walang masyado maraming tao. Ang ganda ng forma ng asawa ko, ha?
4 hours here.
4 hours. Para bago dumating yung bus. Ito nga pala yung bus. Ambon, lamig. Mas gusto yung ganito kasi sa mainit. Jai. Kabilang side ang exit. Tada! Diyan natin dyan. 1, 2, 3. Lamig, diba? O, may nakita na siya. Parang yung ATM mo, abot abot na yung ATM mo, day, Porla. Ito yung sabon, diba? Porla. Pabili nga ng Porla, white. First stop. This one I can buy two. Next store. Seiko! 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 Anong tawag ko sa'yo? Bebe. Classic. Stan Smith. Superstar. Limited collection. Manulife. Ba't mahal? Tapos, I think, meron pang tax-free. Okay. Ate Bianca. Chikitings. Parang yung ginawa ni Ate Bianca. Orchid. Ito si Wally, tsaka si ano, Eve. Millennium Fountain. Darth Vader. Hey, ito yung si Wally.
Oo. Ano gusto mo? Sige, pumili ka lang.
Eh, gusto ko si Wally. Tapon natin sarili natin. Hindi pili parehas.
Minimal.
Minimalist? Oo.
Pero dito kasi meron ng bulaklak.
Oh. So, okay na. Hindi na nabili mo lang na.
Kasi ayan yun o, may nandoon. Budol is life.
First damage of the day. So, since wala namin perang panggain, dito namin. Ano to? Yung il mignon.
Oh, kiss yan?
Puting ka. Karing. Wedge. Chocolate. Ice cream. Ay po. Diba? 50% off po. Resigo. Dating age. Dito muna tayo. Dating age. The Sequel. Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Hello, mabuhay. Baliktad. All over prints. Standard prints. Hi. Ito ang baba na kanyang bracket. I mean, embroidery sa chest. Done for Tommy. Ayun. 8 spade daw. Kate Spade! Tapos, nandun naman yung Nike. And I'm sure nandun na yung Holland. Well, saan punta? Ano yung nandyan? Tingin lang. So, hindi ka bibili ah. Tingin lang ah. Babe, wait lang babe ah. Wait lang. 65% off. Say hi. So, 65% off. Ganda ng mga colors. Powder blue. Next skin. Check natin magkano. 30,000. 30,000 yun. Ayan, magkano? 50,000. 50% off. Kate Spade yan. So, ito na po guys. We're now at Nike. Breathing in. Is this okay? No? Okay. Okay, done with Nike. Masyado maganda. 10% lang yun. So, dito naman kami pupunta. Let's go! I'm gonna send to my brother if he likes. Patay ni Tumi, Oakley, and then Levi's. Give me one more. Well, you have? Free? You give me? Oh, thank you. Say hi. Say hi to the video. Ito kami sa Yayoy Gaupa Station. At we missed the train to Tosu. The bus to Tosu. Ayan, look at them. Hi, Belle.
I've never been scared to walk away, and you're making it easier for me. You probably wouldn't fight, you probably wouldn't chase, and darling, that is messed up. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say. Can't take another year.
And we're back in Hakata Station. Sakit ng likod namin parehas sa lamig. Nakakabuhat ng mga Lego. Kaya lang kung ano makakain. Good morning, guys! Our second day in Fukuoka. So, papunta na kami sa meetup place. I think it's a joint ride. Meron kaming kasama. Say hi naman doon. Sa mga subscribers natin.
Please, it's reading Myoi Temple. Myoi, it means follow your heart. Follow your heart.
Meron pa kaming kasama mga kabayan. Hi, kabayan. Nagbablog ko, no? Ito yung Frog Temple. Parang kero-karopi. Grabe naman ito. Ang laking steam bath.
Punta doon sa lake.
Hello, si Marco, yung nakilala namin nung unang dating namin. Nagkita kami dito. Tapos, kilala namin si Mark. Yung solo traveler siya. We're here in Kinrin Lake. Oh,
Lake.
wow.
Tilapia, paano na tilapia?
Ayan, tilapia! Guys, para ako nag-jebs.
A few moments later.
So, ayan, naka-jebs na ako.